Bessie, and you deserve all the good things in life. We love you!
Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the disco party for Colleen's 18th birthday celebration.
Whatever happens tonight will stay right by my side. So let's enjoy the celebration. It's a celebration, everybody. Just celebration. Let's get this started. No more hesitation. Everybody wants to party. Celebration.
All rise in honor of our dear Colleen Venice Abesames de Luna.
I am proud of the girl that you were, the woman that you are right now, and the woman that you will be. I'm always gonna be proud of you. I genuinely wish that all your wishes may come true, because that is what you deserve.
She was just a girl. She expected the world. But if
Naiyak na, naiyak si Daddy! Pati naiyak na, hindi na po kaya.
Happy birthday, Colleen. Alam mo naman palagi kami nandito ni Daddy to support you, to encourage you, and to love you unconditionally. We love you, anak.
Naiyak si Colleen eh.
Naiyak pala. Totoo palang naiyak siya. Naiyak na talaga. Naka-joke lang.
Matagal kasi namin iniwan niya yung batang yan. Iniwan namin 8 months dito sa pinanganak kasi sa Italy. Mahirap. 2015 bumalik ng Pilipinas. Isama-sama na. Kahit pa paano, maayos naman. Ibibigay yung gusto. Yun lang ang wish namin, makatapos ang pag-aaral. Mabait na bata yan. Medyo pala, sagot ng norte.
Natulo na luwak. Naiyak ko yung dalawa. Sabi ko, hindi ako iyak eh.
Happy birthday, Colleen! Wishing you all the happiness in the world and good luck sa college life. Happy birthday!
She said, set to rise. This could be paradise. Paradise. Could be paradise.
Tinupok ako ng debo na to. Pero worth it po lahat. Di pa rin nagsisigil sa akin hanggang ngayon. Gusto ko lang po pasalamatan lahat ng umaten. Lalo na po may mga pasok pa bukas. Akala ko po, wala akong magiging bisita.